Today I'll be going over the media attachment tool in our Enliten educational software. This will allow you to add different media to your slides and create new kinds of engagement in your presentations. To go to the media menu, tap the Add Media button on the toolbar. Here in the media menu, you have three different tabs: Images, Videos, and Audio. First, we'll talk about adding images. You can do a simple search that goes through the Enliten stock library. To add an image, simply tap it. Then you'll be able to move it around your slide and resize. This works for videos and audio as well. The AI generator allows you to take advantage of powerful AI technology incorporated into Enliten. Type in what image you want to generate, select a style if you want to, and tap Generate Image, and the generator will produce two images. You can have it regenerate if you are looking for something slightly different. The My Images tab allows you to upload images from your own device, and in the near future, you'll be able to upload images via Google Drive. The Creative Commons section is where you can search for branded images. Say I want to include an image of Iron Man. I can find Iron Man related images by searching here. The Videos tab allows you to add YouTube videos to your slide. Simply search for a video, then scroll and tap the video you want to include. On the slide, just tap the video for it to start playing, and you can adjust the volume and time of the video just like on YouTube. The Audio tab allows you to add an audio from your device. You can upload from your device's drive or use a previously uploaded one. You will also be able to upload audio from Google Drive in the near future. Thank you for watching. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series to help you get started using Enliten.